How to fix Messenger photo quality issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Messenger photo quality issue. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, open up your Messenger app. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, if you're getting the issue when you're sending your photos to anyone such as your friend, you can first update your Messenger. So head over to your app store, search for Messenger app, and after you search for Messenger, there if you find an update button available, just update the app. Now what the update does is update comes with more features which might help you improve your quality of your photos on your Messenger app. So after you update the app, you can then open up your Messenger app. Tap on a Messenger app and then open it up. After you open it up, you can then head over to any DM that you want to send a picture in. Then tap on your image icon and then select the picture. Now on the top right side of your picture section, you'll find the button HT. Make sure that you press the button and then send it. What this does is this sends the picture in HD quality. Now make sure that you send every photo using this very feature and you're good to go. And that's how you fix Messenger photo quality issue. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.